I called Berkeys because during this time of the season, it's hot in Texas. So we noticed that our AC went out. And in the process, I've called Berkeys before for a plumbing issue. So when we called them for HVAC, they came out professional, clean, mask, everything you can imagine a professional company coming out and doing, and got right to the issue. I believe my technician name was Michael, and Michael came in and he tried everything to get our old system working. But by the end of it, we had to go with a new system. And in doing that, can't remember the technician's name. I know it's a father and son team that came out professional as well. They explained everything in detail to us, what they were doing, made sure before they left, they went over the system. We understood exactly what it is we were getting. Would recommend them to a family. I have recommended them to a lot of friends. And we look forward to continuing with Berkey. We actually joined the full membership instead of just the plumbing. So I would recommend them. I thank them for the great work that they've done for us so far. The 2 to 4 times that they've been out, but the 2 issues that we've had so far, great job. I couldn't ask for anything better.